Hi, today I'm going to make these very pretty pink colored daffodils. Very easy to make and lovely to look at. Materials I'm using are crepe paper in 4 colors: off-white, pink, green and white. A thick wire for stem. These are pips, so I've taken yellow color and green floral tape. All measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the corona, which is 4 by 7 centimeter in white. So cut one piece. This is for a petal, which is 6 centimeters tall and 0.5 at the base here. And the width of the petal is 2.75. Cut 6 pieces. This is for the bract. And this is 4 by 0.5 again at the base and 1.75 in the middle. Cut one piece. And this is for the leaf, which is 20 centimeters by 2 centimeters. The base is 1 centimeter. So now first I'll take 3 of these pips, 3 strands. Just fold them. Take a thick wire and just hold it like this. Cut a piece of the green floral tape and secure the pips on the wire. Like so. Now take the white strip for the corona. First just stretch it in opposite directions on one end. Like so. Just curl it a bit. Apply glue on one end. Fold it over and stick it at an angle, like so. Then just stretch it. Stretch a little above the base. So you get this kind of a puff shape. Now I'll just apply glue at the base inside the corona. Take this and just bring it till the base. And pull all the edges together. And then with just your finger or maybe the edge of a pencil, base of a pencil, just push out the base. Like so. For the petal, first just fold it like this, just about, just slightly off center. Give it a sharp crease and then fold it back. Again, very thin area, like about a millimeter. Like this. Open it and apply glue in the crease. And press it. Like this. Now just give a few crimps. Just pull the paper a bit. So it has this crinkled look, like so, and just fold the petal a bit. Like this. So now just apply glue at the base of the petals. And stick it at the base of the corona. So this will stick at the base also, like this. And the second petal will come at an angle of almost 45 degrees to the first one. The third one will be in the middle of the space left by the other two. So it will form a triangle like this. You can push the corona also so that it sits properly on the petals. Like this. Now the next three petals would come in the space left by the other petals, the first three petals. Like this. So I'll stick the other two also. After putting all the petals, take a strip of tissue paper not mentioned in the materials. Fold it. Twice. Apply glue. And wind it from the base of the flower. Till the end of the wire. Now take a little piece of the green tape and just wind it from the base of the flower. Like this. Now take the piece for the bract, stretch it, apply glue, and stick it about a little lower than the flower base. Now take the leaves and just curl them lightly. Take a long piece of the green tape. Stretch it. Start winding from the base of the bract. Then take these leaves and attach it to the stem opposite to each other. Like this. Now just bend the stem from where the base of the bract is, almost at 90 degrees, like so. And this is how the flower would look.